What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Going to go over Bitcoin, currently sitting at 16.8K, up 0% on the day. Seeing a market cap of 321 billion, 24-hour volume 11.7 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet, make sure to sign up, grab up to $8,000 in bonuses or up to $30,000 on Bybit. Sign up to either or, email me or sign up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So, could be that we're pushing up in that wave Y. This is a bit of a small impulse to counter wave 3, so I would look for a little bit more of a push to the upside to put in a wave 3, and then you would see a wave 4 and wave 5. It all depends if we can get back above this point of control, because if we fail and we get rejected, we have a bearish divergence on the hourly, create a little bit of a higher high, lower highs. So if we get rejected and we break this invalidation point, then what you're looking at is this is some, I really can't count a wave 1 here, but these micro counts can be inaccurate, so it could be a wave 1, that's a wave 2 pullback looking to come down at 3, 4, 5 to complete the wave 3, which is here in red. It all depends if we break 16.2. If we get back above the point of control, then that's when you can push up in that wave Y. For the price of BTC. Now, there is that potential of coming down in that wave C, so that's what I'm talking about here. If we fail to break that B wave high, then you'd be looking, then I would be looking at this as a wave 1 down. This is a wave 2 pullback. You would see a 3, 4, 5 to complete the wave C, which is a 5-wave move. So it all depends if we break that high at about 16.9 or if we get rejected here by the point of control. DXY fake out, a little bit of a breakdown to the downside. It's now broken out of this descending channel. So the target, the technical target, is the top of the channel. If you see continuation to the upside for the DXY, that's negative for BTC. It's the price of Bitcoin to continue to bleed. So just watch the DXY carefully. If it continues to push up, then the technical target is up here at about 105. The Dow Jones still hasn't made its move, just continuing to consolidate here. So we'll have to see how that plays out. But right now, I'm watching the point of control at about 16.8. If we can get back above it, hold it as support, then potentially you'll put in that wave Y. But if we get rejected here, we start to roll over. We do have that bearish divergence on the hourly, and we break that invalidation, then what I look at is a wave 1, wave 2 pullback coming down to 3, 4, 5 to complete the wave 3. All right, gang, just a quick little update for Bitcoin. If you appreciate it, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Sign up to Bybit or BitGet. These are the two exchanges that I do my investing and trading. And then email me or sign up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis signals. And you can see what I'm doing with my HODL all plays. That's $10 a month. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Much love. Take care.